Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial onto my YouTube channel. In this video, we will scrap the reels from any Instagram profile. So first, I'm starting my application. I build it called Alpha Scraper, change from Insta Data Scraper to Alpha Scraper, and I have recently added a new feature called Scrap Instagram Reels. Okay, so you have carefully read these two notification boxes, and first now I will enter the profile name, and now I will select how many reels I want to scrap. I can also move from 20 from here and also choose it by default, entering how many reels. I want to scrap 20 reels. So now I will start running the scraper. You see it's showing the estimated time. Don't worry about that. It doesn't matter too much. Yes, it's start. Auto login to Instagram using Selenium. Now login. It will move to the BBC News Instagram page. See, now it starts scraping the data. One by one, it takes some time to load the web page, and it start doing scraping one by one. So it stopped working soon, and here is it. The reels are scrapped completely. Now you can check this out. Here are the data visualized, and here are the files which contain the data, and I will show you on the view and analyze section. I've opened the dashboard, and now you see scrap reels data. So this is the JSON file view. You see account URL, account name, audio URL, hashtags, likes count, post URL, reel caption, system time, upload time, and username. This is the dictionaries of the data has been pulled down from Instagram to my localhost, my PC. And this is the tables. So overall, this one, and I will show you, this is another important feature, display graph. So in this, I'm showing you the graph is that posting activity. You can see the graph that on which date the data has been posted, on the captions, the word with caption. You can see that how like many, like BBC News, Bangladesh, Donald Trump apologized, link tap, stock criminals, Pakistan, whatever it was, this police, money, BBC. So, and now the top 10 hashtags used by BBC, like many You can see over here, and the likes content, and these are the graph display. Okay, so overall this is the new feature I have recently added. So if you guys need this, let me download the file. I'm download this Excel version, and this is the data. So it only 20 reels. You can even scrap many reels, but my purpose to show you that this is also a best choice, good choice. You can extract data, unlimited amount of data, without any limitations of APIs, without any limitations of any kind of uh, API or monthly subscription. You need to buy once and you can scrap huge amount of data on monthly basis. So thank you very much overall this in this video. Thank you.